Question number 16, he said sum of p terms is q, sum of q terms is p. Sum of p terms is q, sum of q terms is p. Two equations are given. If two equations are given, I told you to solve it for a and d. Find the value of a, find the value of d, and just put whatsoever is required, sum up to p minus q terms, put it there in that formula. So sum of p terms is q, that is p by 2, 2 into a plus p minus 1 into d. Here variables are a and d, which we need to find. That is sum of q terms is q upon 2, 2 into a plus q minus 1 into d is p. So we got from this 2a plus p minus 1 d is equal to 2q upon p. From this 2a plus q minus 1 into d is equal to 2p upon q. And on subtracting these two, 2a to a, this is p minus q into d, and this is 2 common, q upon p minus p upon q. Just simplify, pq, q square minus p square, and this is p minus q, q minus p, q plus p, and this is p minus q. That means if we are taking out of these two, we are taking negative common, this will be minus 1. So we got it that d is equal to minus of 2 p plus q upon pq. This is what is d. From any of these two equations, put the value of d here, you will get a. D is right is equal to 2, 2 and 2 common, cancelled out. So this is a is equal to, this is negative, on this side this will be positive, q upon p plus p minus 1 into p plus q upon pq. This is what is the value of a. D is given, a is given, we have to put it in this formula and then simplify. S p minus q, sum of p minus q terms is p minus q n upon 2, 2 into a, value of a is 2 into a. So if you open the bracket, then 2 will be here. 2a plus n minus 1 into d. N is minus 1 into d is this is n upon 2, 2 into a plus n minus 1 into d, and you just need to simplify this. See, 2, 2 and 2, you can take common and this will be cancelled out. This is pq minus q plus p square minus p, and 2 is common with a negative sign here. This will be p square minus pq minus p, and this will be plus pq minus q square minus q whole divided by pq. If we take all the LCM pq, take all the LCM PQ, this will be Q square PQ minus Q plus P square minus P square plus PQ plus P minus PQ plus Q square plus Q, and then cancel out. This is on solving, what you will get is P minus Q. If you take LCM, P plus 2Q upon P. If you take LCM of this, that means PQ positive, PQ negative is cancelled out. Then Q square and Q square, P square and P square cancel out. P and P cancel out. Then this will be Q square and Q square, 2Q square, Q positive, Q negative. So we got it PQ plus Q square. Q square plus PQ upon PQ. And this is on solving, this will be 1 plus 2Q upon P, and this is what you need to do. This is what you need to do. Means just simplification is there. The main here is what, just two equations are given, solve it for D and A and put it in the formula. After that, simple algebra is. Note it down.